Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video I am showing you my brand new daily planner for women and men who like dolphins. It is now available on Amazon. Before I start, I'd just like to ask you a little favor. If you want to see more videos and get notified, then please hit the subscribe button and notification bell. And with this out of the way, let's have a look at my planner. For this planner I chose gouache brushes in Procreate and I wanted to paint jumping dolphins. On the front of the planner you have the two dolphins, and on the back I added just the fluke of a dolphin and a few birds in the sky. The inside of the planner has the following pages: a front page for your name and email address, plus a few small dolphins. The planner bit is designed so that people can add their own time and dates in the to-do section, add 3 things that need to be prioritized, while on the opposite page there is space for doodling and notes. The planner has 295 pages, including 6 pages for adding contacts. The planner is available as a glossy hardback and a matte paperback. You can buy this on Amazon, and you can find the Amazon links below the video. I hope you like my planner. If you have a question, please feel free to leave a comment and I'll try my best to answer it. And if you want to support this channel, you can do so by liking, sharing and subscribing. You can also donate via PayPal. The link is in the description. Thank you for watching. Until next time.